Good afternoon, a glorious afternoon. Respected Chief Minister, our beloved Didi Mamata Banerjee, noted Argentinian essayist Mr. Gustavo Canzobre, His Excellency Ambassador of Argentina, Mr. Mariano Causino, acclaimed Bengali author Shopnomoy Chakraborty, honorable ministers, our honorable speaker, our esteemed other guests, our police commissioner, DGP, our police commissioner, Bidhan Nagar, and all the ministers, our respected Sujit Bosu, our Indranil Sen, Bobby Hakim, Firad Hakim, Chandrima Bhattacharya, Krishna Chakraborty, Speaker Bimanda, Shobhoshachi Dotto, Dola Sen. Dola Sen is an integral part of book fair. Eminent other personalities like Shubodh Sarkar, Shubha Prasanna, on and off the dais, and other representatives of different countries like Guatemala and Dominican Republic, all the ambassadors, and German representative from Germany. On behalf of Publishers and Booksellers Guild, we extend our hearty welcome and gratitude to you all. International Kolkata Book Fair stands as a matter of pride for the people of Kolkata.